Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg salad sandwich. First, let's prepare the eggs. Place 6 to 8 large eggs in a pot and cover them with water. Bring to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Immediately transfer the cooked eggs to an ice bath to cool completely. This step helps prevent a green ring around the yolk and makes peeling much easier. Once your eggs are cool, it's time to peel them. Gently tap each egg on a hard surface and roll it to crack the shell all over. Peel under cold, running water for the best results. After peeling, chop the eggs into small, uniform pieces. You want them small enough to mix well but still have some texture. Place all the chopped eggs into a mixing bowl. Now, let's create the delicious dressing. In a separate small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery for a nice crunch. Whisk these ingredients together until the dressing is smooth and all components are fully incorporated. This forms the creamy base. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Pour the creamy dressing over your chopped eggs in the mixing bowl. Gently fold the dressing into the eggs until every piece is thoroughly coated. Be careful not to mash the eggs too much. You want some texture. Taste the egg salad and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Serve on your favorite bread with fresh lettuce for a perfect sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.